Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your passport on OnlyFans step by step to keep your account secure. First, open the OnlyFans app or website on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you have not logged in prior, you must log in using the same method you used when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner where it opens the menu options. From there, tap on settings. On the settings screen, tap on account. This opens the account page with different sections. Scroll down until you see security section. Under the security, you will find options like passport login sessions, two-step authentication and passportless sign-in. From here, tap on passport. This opens the change passport screen. In the first field, please make sure to enter your current valid passport. Then in the next two fields, enter your new passport. Then confirm it. After entering all your details, tap on done within the keyboard, then tap the save button within the change passport screen and your passport will be updated successfully. You will also get a confirmation message regarding to save the passport while entering the username for future. You can just skip it or add a username and that's it. Your passport has now been successfully changed. The next time you log into OnlyFans, make sure that you use your newly created passport. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.